Okwombekwa ekitagat eki nikwija kukorwa omu meezi 8 gonka kandi sente nizija kuruga omu gavumenti ya Uganda nk'omuringo gw'okutunguura eby'oburambuzi omu Sheema.
Thought it important to get Kitagat as one of the key attractions that need to be developed, particularly on this circuit. When we're talking about visitation to the western part of Uganda, you go to see the gorillas, you go to Queen Elizabeth National Park, and so on and so forth. Kitagat seems to be around the center of it all.
Biriyooni biriyooni kinana yes tuza kuba ntombeka ponds za Kitagat in a way that modernizing zibenka swimming pool omuntu asa kuija akogeramu.
Kakura Kirembe Samuel, Kamishana o Ministry y'eby'oburambuzi kandi oizirajwekire Permanent Secretary, arabwira aba Sheema obutateganisa contractor koreka bakorere hamwe.
Performance of that contract has some standard parameters to follow. He has some standard specifications to follow. I want to request you on behalf of the ministry that when he starts to do his work, you allow him to do his professional work.
Mukuru w'entebe ya katano ahabwa Sheema District Jemima Tumujishe Buhanda na warabwira abarukuza kwombeka ekitagat eki okukora ekibaresire bakareka kuzo mu bitine muhoho.
Again, your workers encroaching on my girls and women. Yes. I don't know if you have gone there to the hot spring and see the population which is there. Are we together? Let us really have that harmony. Let us
project is very important. Kandi nitekateka was Kitagat Town Council. We are the beneficiaries of this project.
Ombinto birayombekwe hariho hotel, amabara, oburaro, swimming pool, offices z'eby'oburambuzi hamwe n'akashenge ka president aho araba narara kwaraba yatayayireyo. Gasha kwa Michael atwakire.